Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites so nothing blocks setup. Make sure your iPhone and iOS meet basic requirements and sign in with your Apple ID. This links Wallet to your account. Next, enable Face ID, Touch ID, or set a passcode. This secures cards and makes quick access safe. Once done, open the Wallet app icon on your home screen. You'll see existing cards or an empty card stack. Tap the plus button to begin adding your first card. You'll now add cards and passes into Wallet. Tap the plus icon and select Add Card. You can scan the physical card with the camera or type numbers manually when lighting or camera quality is poor. After entering details, accept your bank's terms. This authorizes tokenization for security. Then verify ownership using the method your bank chooses, like SMS code, email, or their app. Once verified, make sure to add any boarding passes or You finish by configuring quick access and confirming everything works. Go to Settings, choose Wallet and Apple Pay, and set your default payment card so transactions are automatic. This saves time at checkout. Make sure double-click Side or Home button is enabled for instant wallet access when locked. If a card doesn't appear or transactions fail, remove and re-add the card first. If that fails, contact your bank to refresh the payment token. One key tip: restarting the phone often resolves minor sync errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.